Hello, everybody. What you're looking at is the HVAC system. It is the mystical, what do they call it, multi-zone system, and it's in the garage. Why, you say? Because I have to return it. But it is huge. I thought I was going to be able to, take it off, put it on my truck, and return it to the store, which is what the store and I discussed until it arrived. Once it arrived, I realized, nah, that's not happening. We're going to need someone to come pick this back up. So I had to pull the car out, and we're going to leave it in here to protect it, but hopefully they'll come and pick it up within the next couple of days. Now, what I'm sitting here telling you guys about why I have to send it back. The county and I have had a disagreement over, I have a septic system at this home, and to add additional bedrooms would mean that I would have to expand this septic system. I do not want to do that for various reasons. One, cost. I didn't want to add that cost to the project. Two, I don't want to tear up the yard. Even if I just make one bedroom there, my septic tank itself is big enough, but I would have to add additional lines. And if I add lines, that's going to tear up the whole yard. And my septic system is out in the front. So I really didn't want to do it. And I got sprinkler systems and everything out there. So I don't want to do that. So we're going to end up just finishing the large rec room that I'm standing in right here, and the little hallway and the bathroom. That's all we're going to finish down there. It'll approximately be about 800 and some square feet. So I need a smaller system. I don't want to spend the money on a larger system until I'm ready to expand over and make the other bedrooms. This basement is large. I could have as many as 4 bedrooms and 2 baths down there. And if I were going to do that, then I would expand the septic. But just to have, basically, it's just going to be a chill out space. It's not worth it. And to finish the space that I'm thinking, that large rec room, the bathroom, and that little hallway will add enough square footage to the house that it will increase value anyway. So that's what we're going to focus on at this point. But it'll slow us down. Now, my goal is to have all of this done by the first week of March, have the whole thing finished, flooring, everything in. This right here puts a little delay on it, but we'll see what happens. I'm not real sure, but we're going to try to stay on track. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and finish up the drain. I should have the drain, the septic drain finished by this weekend, I would assume. And then I'll be able to finish out the walls. And then from that point, I'll be waiting on the new system to come in. Now that's going to be delayed a little bit because I'm not going to order it right away because I know I have to go out of town. So I'm going to wait till it get closer to time for me to come back before I order it, so that it won't be just sitting around waiting for me. I'm thinking about sending it to the store, but it seems like a little bit easier if it come to me. So here you can look. I have done quite a bit of digging so that the basin can go in. And the basin, as you see right below that water heater, the basin's in. But that is not its final resting place. I'm going to dig that a little bit deeper, probably about 4 more inches. I want it to go down a little lower so that I can slope the drain a little more than a 1/4 inch.